Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a bright, colorful blue makeup for you guys. I really hope that you guys like it. If you enjoy this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. To start this eye makeup look, I'm going to start with a white eyeshadow, and I'm just going to be putting this right underneath my eyebrows and in the inner corners of my eyes in order to add a highlight and to add brightness. Next, I'm coming in with this teal blue colored shade, and I'm going to be putting it on the outer corners of my eyes, blending it up to my crease. You guys can definitely use any blue or teal colored shades that you have at home. So now what I'm doing is I'm very lightly giving myself a very light cut crease, and I'm doing so because I didn't want to look like a smurf, so I just went ahead and used a concealer in order to give myself a bit of a cut crease. Next, I'm coming in with this light white eyeshadow, and I'm just applying it right on top of where I put the concealer, so in the inner corners of my eyes, and blending it a little bit on the center of my eyelids. Next, I'm coming in with this sparkly navy shade, and I'm applying it right on the outer corners of my eyes just to make my eyes look a little bit more smoky. Now I'm taking a blending brush and I'm just blending out the harsh edges. Now I'm coming in with the designer purple eye pencil from MAC, and I'm applying it right in my waterline just to give myself a purple waterline. Now I'm coming in with this pink shade, and I'm blending out the designer purple eye pencil and smoking it out just a little bit. Now I'm coming in with this blue liquid eyeliner, and as you can see, I'm just creating a winged liner. So now I'm applying my false eyelashes, and I'm so sorry guys, I don't have the footage of when I apply my lip products, but as long as you use something that's neutral or a neutral gloss, you can definitely recreate the same look. And here's the final look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to follow me on my social media platforms. Everything will be listed below, as well as product details. Don't forget also to subscribe to my channel and to give this video a thumbs up if you really enjoyed it. Have a great day, guys!